Do you want to grow vibrant roses in your garden? Imagine the joy of seeing these beautiful blooms right outside your window. In this video, we'll be sharing 7 strategies to transform your rose gardening experience. Stay tuned to discover proven strategies that will help you grow stunning roses in your own backyard. Firstly, always choose the right rose for your garden-specific conditions. Consider sunlight, soil, and climate. Remember, roses are diverse, with a variety suitable for almost every garden. Choosing the right rose for your garden's conditions is the first step towards a vibrant rose garden. Secondly, give your roses a great start with well-prepared soil. Soil preparation is a game changer. Enhancing it with organic matter boosts nutrients while ensuring good drainage prevents waterlogging. This creates a comfy home for your roses. Remember, roses love well-drained, rich soil. Thirdly, remember that your roses need regular watering. Hydration is crucial, so aim for a thorough soak at least twice a week. The best time to water is early morning, helping to stave off diseases. Quench your roses' thirst and they'll reward you with beautiful blooms. Fourthly, don't forget to prune your roses. Pruning isn't just an aesthetic choice, it's a vital part of rose care. It encourages healthy growth, improves airflow, and boosts bloom production. Mastering a few basic techniques can make all the difference. Proper pruning will keep your roses healthy and productive. Fifthly, keep an eye out for pests and diseases. Common foes include aphids and black spot fungus. Prevention is key, so consider using organic pesticides and fungicides. But don't worry, with timely intervention, these issues can be resolved. A vigilant gardener can keep roses vibrant and healthy. Sixthly, feed your roses regularly. It's all about balance. A good rose fertilizer offers essential nutrients, fostering healthy growth and abundant blooms. Think of it as the secret sauce for your garden's success. Feeding your roses gives them the nutrients they need to bloom beautifully. Lastly, remember that roses require patience and love. Growing these vibrant beauties takes time, as they establish roots and prepare to bloom. They thrive on your care and attention, reflecting the nurturing they receive. With patience and love, you can grow a garden full of vibrant roses. So there you have it, 7 strategies for growing vibrant roses in your garden. From choosing the right rose to soil prep, watering, pruning, pest control, feeding, and patience, each plays a crucial role. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips. Happy gardening!